Edo APC don't use one voice take suspend Oshiomhole. This one I will get informate on top inside Edo today. As Executive Council of Edo State Chapter of All Progressive Congress APC don't use one voice take suspend National Chairman of the party, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole for Edo State. Them do this talk when them do meeting with other ogbonge people for the party and Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki for Benin City. For the meeting where the party leaders do, them talk say them suspend Oshiomhole. Second say the national chairman they do many mago to fit scatter the party with the group where they use work than at Edo Peoples Movement, EPM. Edo State APC chairman Anslem Ojezua talk say the katakata with the shele for Edo APC been shele for primary elections for 2018 when they been nominate candidates for general elections for 2019. And after this one, the wahala starts. He talked this one when he follow APC leaders from 18 local government area for the state talk, and at the matter na can spread eye reach April and May 2019 with the group where them they use will be EPM. Ojezua talk say body shook am when them hear say them comot am for office. As state working committee no comot am and them get constitution where them they follow to fit comot officer for state level. And our only state executive committee go fit comot any officer for the party. It talks a 15 chairmen for APC chapter for local council and 23 out of 35 for state executive committee. Now he don't pass vote of no confidence for national chairman and then pass vote of confidence on top him as the state chairman. It talks here Progressive Congress local council chairman don't see Adams Oshiomhole. Now they cause the katakata with the shele for Edo State and them no day okay as CP said now be the national chairman. Ojezua talk say 3 APC local government chairman na know the meeting and then a chairman for APC for Owan West, Etsako West and Etsako Central. As letter don't dey ground to fit take suspend them and their vice chairman go begin they do their position till they find person will go replace them. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki come talk and say he no happy with the kind matter with the shele for politics for Edo State. As he be say this one they come from leader with them trust for the party. Obaseki talk say when he be meet Oshiomhole for 12 years ago, then be get the same mind to fit carry Edo State matter waka far. But now the matter don't change as he talk say no be person where they forget the good wey person do am. Obaseki talk say na Baba God na him put am for position as Edo State Governor and the support wey other people wey them give am. And if Baba God talk say he no go be governor, he no go fit be make person come dey talk say na him make am governor. This one it no make sense. Obaseki talk say nobody give am money, say the money wey Oshiomhole use for him governorship election, na him by himself gather am from Lagos. And if he fit gather money make Oshiomhole take win election, wetin come cause am wey he no go fit gather money for him own election. He talk say national chairman of APC no talk true about him administration. And if you like me, they do like say you get power past God, na that time na you go hear when. APC leader for Ovia Southwest local government area, Samuel Ekeneza, now he move the motion to make them suspend Comrade Adams Oshiomhole. As he talk say he no get who they big pass the party. And a leader of APC for Etsako Central local government, Osediame Oriafu, now he can support the motion where they suspend the national chairman of the party for Edo State. Now here we see the informate reach on top inside Edo today. As Edo APC leaders don't use one voice to suspend national chairman of All Progressive Congress for Edo State, Adams Oshiomhole. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge informate so na T live media na in the yarn am they can give una on top inside Edo today. And to continue to get this clear and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now if you follow us, waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media as our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.